What is up, everybody? Today we are messaging 100 dirt bike companies for free stuff. Let's get it. First up is Yamaha Motorsports USA. Yo, Yamaha, can I get free stuff? Let's get it. We're getting so much free stuff. We're getting a 125 dirt bike. Already messaged Shark Varg. Let's go. Next up is Kawasaki. Sup, free stuff? Question mark. Love, make a full size 2 stroke. Yup. Let's go. They're definitely replying to that. Just me that didn't know Kawasaki followed Morgan Wallen? That's crazy. Next is Alpine Stars for some like free boots or something. Can I get free? Oh, I cannot spell free. Free boot. Oops. Boots. Well, yo, nah. You know what? I forgot something, didn't I? No. Fired. Boom. That's gonna make them reply 100%. Next up is Gas. I literally know nothing about them, but they're expensive. Can I get something free? Yeah, that's gonna do it. Raining free. Yeah. Gas, if you see this video, I'm sorry. Husqvarna, let's go. My uncle has one. My bald uncle has one. Can I get one or something free? Well, yeah, Husqvarna. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. I thought it said I couldn't chat with them. My bad. Shout out to Steep's Factory. W's. Go check them out. W Motorcycle Shop. Let's try to get a Sir on Lightbeat. Sir W light. How do you spell light? Light B. Can I get free? Yo. Wait, no, that's not okay. Wait. No. Okay, that'll work. Reply. I couldn't find the Tulare USA, so we're just gonna message the Canada one. Can I get a XXX free? This, I know, something that will make them love it. Money sign, no. That'll work. Let's go. What the? Huh? I am not messaging that. I'm not even sure if this is the real Talaria. Next up is E-Ride Pro. This is a W right here. And I watch the roster. I love the what's it called? 3.0 Oop, that's not an O. 3.0 from that's form from Sir on Ters vid. Can I get one? Oh, that's not one. One free? Hold on, no, I'll scare him. Fire emoji. W's. I paused the video and I don't know. Yeah, I'm blanking my username out, but like it's all good. I mean, technically we've got 2 replies, so does that mean we win? Nah. It's always the electric though. I mean, Stark Varg didn't, but whatever. Side quest alert. We're messaging tops for free pack. Free pack? Oh, W's. That's the best side quest ever. Next up is Tutio. Tutios are sick. This would be my first bike. Can you send one free? Or hell mat. That is not how you spell helmet. Mat. Helmet. Boom. Hold up. We forgot something. Fire emoji. Technically 100% is a dirt bike company. Can I get a free pair of how do you spell goggles? Fire emoji. Let's go. Loki, another side quest. Free discount code. Fire emoji. Kind of forgot Honda made bikes. Can I get a free dirt bike? Fire emoji. 125. Yup. Honestly, getting wait, this is Indianapolis. I'm an Indian. What the? Okay, now we're on Indiana motorcycles. Can I get a free bike? I have no money. Fire emoji. Honestly, if Razer replied before any other brand, I'll be the most shocked. Cause, I mean, it's a Razer. Can I get a free bike? Oh, I'm ready. Oh, we need something else. We need a better emoji. Peekaboo. No. What is that? Fire emoji. There. Oh, wait, we already did one. Dang it. Honestly, I'm gonna message Sir Ronster so I can get something from Sir Ronster Rides. Can I get a free bike? Oops. From Ronster Rides? W content. Fire emoji. Yup. Ventus bikes, I don't even know if they sell dirt bikes. I'm just messaging them. They look like they do. So, can I get free bike? I don't know if you sell them. Fire emoji. So far, we have looked up asked 19 brands. I don't think we're getting to 100. I've been doing this for like an hour already. I have no clue. And yes, this video has only so far has been like 10 minutes. I don't know. But I don't think we're getting to 100 brands. We're just going to try. I think I'm even going to message C-Boys. I don't know. I'm kind of cooked, honestly. So, wish me luck, honestly. Like, I might be cooked here. You know what? I decided I'm only going to do one more dirt bike brand. If I think of more later on, I'll do that too. So, I'm going to find one more dirt bike brand, and then we'll not end the video, but then you'll see, next time you see me, you'll see me in like 2 seconds, but for me, it's going to be like a day. So, see ya. For now, at least. Gonna go find another brand. I'm low-key getting desperate at this point. I'm messaging Amazon for a bike. And all of them are Chinese bikes. Can I get free bike? I have Prime. Fire emoji. That's not, no, they won't send me a bike anymore. Whoa! So yeah, it does make 20 brands, but it's not a brand. So I'm trying to think of one more. I have literally no clue what to do. Because I've done electric bikes, I know. Done regular dirt bikes, I know. Wait, what if I do a Segway? Let's look that. Segway. Yep, this is the count. Alright, this is 20, technically 21, but let's do this. Can I get a free bike? Lol. Fire. Money. Free. America. Cool. Rock on. Perfect. Hey, so I didn't know about the delay between my voice and me texting. So if it sounds weird of what I'm doing and the typing, that's why. Sorry about that. I'll try to get that fixed before I post this video, but I probably won't. Get no way. So I woke up earlier. Not early, but and then I got a message, right? Let me show you something. They replied. Stark Varg freaking replied to my text message. This was all just for fun, honestly, just to see. I'm actually going to say thank you. Thank you for responding. I was doing this for, that's not how you spell for, but okay, for my YouTube, and you guys were the last people I thought would respond. Fire emoji. Okay, that's enough. But we finally got a response. This is actually crazy. This was all for fun. I didn't expect nobody to respond. Like, can go test ride the bike if I want to. Like, all you gotta do is book it. That's sick. So I guess if you want a test drive, I don't know. Also gave me a link about the finance because I was generally wondering about that. So that's a big W. Mission accomplished. And if there's any more people that respond after I post this video, I'll definitely like post maybe a short or something like that. But thank you all for watching, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.